Hi, my name is Miss Nancy, and I'm an elementary school teacher here in Tampa, Florida, and a mother of 3. And today I'm going to teach you how to make a snowflake out of construction paper. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is construction paper. You're also going to need will give me an idea of where to cut to make a square. I'm going to cut along the bottom, right where that fold is. As always, if you have little kids, make sure they're using safety scissors instead of the big person scissors that are a bit sharper. So now we have our square. Now that we have our square, we're going to start folding it. We're going to fold it into a triangle. Then we're going to fold that into another triangle. Then we're going to fold that into another triangle. Keep folding it. Oh, I think that's probably enough. Now take your scissors and make some cuts. Cut out some designs. Maybe you want to cut a little triangle. Maybe you want to cut a square. And again, remember, kids use safety scissors, but any type of cut, as big or as small as you want. Cut on the other side too. And again, we're using white here because it's a snowflake, but also because it's so easy to decorate white. You can add glitter with a little bit of glue, and then you sprinkle some glitter on top. That'll really give you a very pretty snowflake. All right, that's probably enough to show. It almost looks like a Christmas tree, doesn't it? Until we open it up. And when we open it up, it gives us a lovely little snowflake. So now's the time to decorate it with markers and crayons and glue and glitter. And you can even take a string and hang it from the string if you want. If you put it up by a window along with a bunch of others, it'll look like a snowy day outside. That is how you make a snowflake.